Minister has launched another scathing attack at the Congress party. A big statement, a big charge coming in from the Prime Minister against the Congress on Jamia. Prime Minister says Congress snatched rights of the OBC and they gave it to the Muslims. The Prime Minister says Congress declared Jamia a minority institution and it secretly changed Jamia's status, giving 50% quota to Muslims. Let's first listen to that reaction. Okay, we'll try and play that out later. Let me, in fact, go across to Mohit to get more updates. Mohit, on one hand, you have Rahul Gandhi saying that the systems have been against lower caste and he's seen this from his childhood. So he's putting his own government and the former prime ministers of the Congress in the dock. Not just that. Now, the prime minister has, of course, and the BJP will leverage on this. Prime minister says OBC's rights were snatched and the Congress gave it to Muslims. They changed the status of Jamia secretly.
Well, Swati, that has been the attack that has been coming in from the BJP since a long time. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday at Dwarka rally stated that the Congress party has always believed in appeasement. They have always been snatching away the rights of the OBCs and the Dalits. Now, Prime Minister gave an example of Jamia Millia University. Prime Minister stated that to win in 2014 elections and just for the sake of appeasement of a particular vote bank, in 2011, Jamia was given a minority status. Now, the 50% seats in Jamia are reserved
Mohit, we'll
for the
continue our
minority.
discussion, but let's quickly listen to what the Prime Minister said. I'll come back to you.
60 साल तक ये यूनिवर्सिटी बाकी यूनिवर्सिटियों की तरह एक सामान्य शिक्षा संस्थान के रूप में चल रही थी। इसमें भी दलितों, पिछड़ों, आदिवासियों को रिजर्वेशन मिला करता था। लेकिन 2014 के चुनाव जीतने के लिए मनमोहन सिंह की सरकार ने, कांग्रेस सरकार ने, ये इंडी गठबंधन वालों की जमात की सरकार थी, 2011 में कांग्रेस सरकार ने चुपचाप एक चाल चली। अचानक जामिया मिलिया यूनिवर्सिटी को माइनॉरिटी इंस्टीट्यूशन घोषित कर दिया। इससे जामिया मिलिया यूनिवर्सिटी में 50% आरक्षण मुसलमानों के लिए लागू हो गया।
So you heard the Prime Minister there. The Prime Minister says that Jamia was functioning like a regular central university where SC, ST, OBCs and Dalits along with tribals were getting reservations just like any other institution. But to win the Lok Sabha elections in 2014, the Prime Minister alleges Congress-led government in 2011 secretly changed the status of Jamia and announced it as a minority university, and it was because of that the Muslims started getting 50% reservation in Jamia Millia Islamia. So the Prime Minister is alleging that the Congress snatched away rights of the backward class and gave it to the Muslim community. Mohit continues to be with us. And Mohit, now this definitely has been a hot topic ever since the Lok Sabha election began. On one hand, Rahul Gandhi kept saying OBC, for the OBC and the other backward caste, a caste census needs to be taken to figure out what is the population of the castes, their representation in the country. On the other hand, the Prime Minister says that these are just hollow words coming in from those who are snatching away their rights and giving it to the Muslim community because that is their real vote bank.
But Swati, you see, now we see that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hit back at the narrative which is being set by the Congress party and specifically by Rahul Gandhi. Now, in run-up to all these elections and still in every single rally, Swati, Rahul Gandhi talks about that how the rights of OBCs and other backward classes, Dalits, have been snatched. They do not have adequate representation when it comes to the administration or the government. Or Rahul Gandhi has been saying this, that they do not have representation in the secretaries of government of India. That is a senior IAS has posed. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday at Dwarka rally hit out at Rahul Gandhi, saying that Congress party talks about giving rights to the OBCs and the Dalits, but same Congress party, just for the sake of appeasement politics, changed the status of Jamia Islamia University, which was earlier giving reservation for 60 years. It was giving reservation to the SC, ST and OBCs, but in 2011 it was declared as a minority institution. Now, when it was declared as a minority institution, the 50% of seats were reserved for Muslims. So clearly, Prime Minister hitting out that the narrative which is being said by Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, that jitni abadi utna haq, that is that if the Dalits, OBCs and the SCs have to have an adequate representation, but Prime Minister said that the Congress party, sake for the appeasement politics, has snatched away the rights of the weaker sections of the society.
Right. Mohit, thank you very much for getting us the inputs. We'll keep coming back to you. For the moment, a quick break.